Today we are making chicken liver treats for your doggy. Your dogs will love you for this. And this is the utensils you will need to do this. A pot to cook your rice in, a food processor, a nice large bowl that you can mix all your ingredients in, 1 or 2 oblong pans, a little butter to line the pan with, and here are the ingredients that you need. 2 eggs, 2 little buckets of chicken livers, 4 boneless chicken breasts, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of non-fat dry milk, 1½ cup rice that you will cook. And here's your cooked rice. If you're not familiar with cooking your rice, then always use 1 to 2. If you use 1 cup of rice, it takes 2 cups of water to cook. You bring it to a boil, put the top on, cut it down to simmer, and simmer for about 30 minutes. Here I'm having this bowl. First I put the liver in here, put it on cold, and wash the liver. Then I drain the water back out of it. I check through here to make sure that there isn't anything in here that should not be in, because occasionally you'll find something, like if I find something like this on the liver. Check this out. This is a little round thing that don't look like no liver to me. Pull it off and dispose of it. Now do the same thing with the second bowl. Now do the same thing with the second container. Then I add 2 pieces of chicken and that 1 bucket of liver into the food processor. And that's the first batch. The other one I will do separate so I don't overload the food processor. Doesn't take very long. Grind it up until it's about this consistency. Beat your 2 eggs. Add your rice. Add your first batch of ground up liver with the chicken. I'm getting ready to do the second batch of chicken. This is what it looks like once it's mixed up real well. Put your oven on 350 and get ready to pour the whole thing into those 2 pans. You can make half of the amount if you want to, just make 1 batch always make 2 batches at one time. This way I don't have to do it so often, and after it's done I put it in the freezer and I only take out every day what the doggy will eat. The oven was preheated on 350 degrees Fahrenheit and set for 45 minutes. Here it is in cooling mode. After it cooled, we're gonna flip this around here real quickly. There we go. Take this off, and here, now you can let it cool. After you let it cool enough, get your nice knife. You can cut it however you really want to, but that's what I do for my dog. I cut right in the middle through, and then I cut it into strips. This is how it looks after it is cooled and cut into pieces. Now you can wrap saran wrap around it and put them in Ziploc freezer bags and freeze them and take out every day what you need for your dog.